Good morning. It is October 20th and today is going to be a productive vlog. I woke up at 7 this morning with my boyfriend as he was heading to work, and I've stayed awake since, and I was like, you know what, today I need to get a lot of stuff done. Right now I'm on my iPad. I have to work on editing some content for a sponsored video. So I have some changes that I need to work on right now. I'm just going to be watching some YouTube while I'm working on my iPad, kind of making some other changes and things. I have the iPad 7 here with the first gen Apple Pencil, and I need to create some things for the video. If I can find the... Let's do it this way. I look like a toe. I literally just crawled out of bed and got the cats their food. I made myself some iced coffee. I've had making iced coffee in like so many of my videos, so I didn't include that footage. Here's Leo doing his usual checking outside the window. Hi, Leo. And he's like, yeah, move, Mom. I want to look out the window. Just watching some vlogs. I don't know who this is. This is the first studio vlog I'm watching of hers. Just watching some other random things. I'm going to catch up on my watch laters and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. And let's get started on the day.
We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love.
Got those changes done, and the video is now exporting, so I'm going to be working on, I'm not really too sure. Maybe I'm just gonna chill, finish my coffee, and just watch some YouTube, and then I can get that over to the company so they can approve it. And yeah, and then I'm gonna be heading to the grocery store. It is such a crappy day outside. Like, look at it. Super gross outside, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. You sleeping with your eye open? Hello? Alright, I'm in the car heading to possibly TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And then I'll go to Whole Foods. Store, so let's go.
We could disregard the thought of ever having to part, for summer is for falling in love. Lightness of being, we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could.
Time to disinfect the groceries. Hopefully nothing got smoshed. I had to slam on my brakes at one point. Ambulance didn't have sirens on. Do a little grocery haul. Got some cottage cheese for lasagna. Got myself some avocados. Got the no boil lasagna noodles. My grapes before I got smashed. Wash those. Got some marinara for the lasagna. Got some ground beef. It was on Prime Special. Chicken was on a special too. Carrots. Cauliflower, which I'll make tonight, with some chicken curry and some french fries. Okay. Now I gotta wash my hands again. Let's do a little TJ Maxx Marshalls haul. I didn't get much footage in there because literally every time I tried to film, there was someone that came down the aisle and I just felt really awkward. So I didn't film a lot in there. Drinking a green juice. So I didn't get anything like too crazy, but I got the lady folded it up so nice in here. I feel bad taking it out. This is a medium-sized hoodie and it's like huge, but just plain white, and I want to try something. So that's gonna possibly be on my Etsy shop, so be on the lookout for that. I'll have an official YouTube video talking about my Etsy shop and everything. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, then watch some of my other videos where I kind of mention it. But I've decided to do my own shop and branch away from my mom just because we don't live together and it was just getting kind of difficult. So I have my own shop now. It's called Luna Moon Sticker Company. So follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link for it down below, so definitely check that out. So I'm going to try something with the hoodie that I might have in my shop at some point in the future. So let's see, I also got I've been looking for an ice pack. I get the worst headaches and back pain, and the last ice pack I had busted, so I got this. It was only $6.99, way cheaper than on Amazon or anything like that, and this one looks pretty large, so I just got an ice pack. And then I've been cutting my boyfriend's hair, so they actually had, like, we borrowed my dad's really nice hair clippers, so I bought my own hair clippers, and it came with a lot of stuff, a lot of attachments, a cape, a pair of hair scissors, and like some like clips and stuff, and like yeah, so this will be interesting to try. It's by Conair, so we all know that brand. Oh yeah, and then from Marshalls I got a pair of black leggings that literally look like my American Eagle leggings. They were a little bit more expensive, so with tax it was like 18 bucks for this pair of leggings, but it has the pockets on the sides, and I absolutely love pockets. I put my phone and my wallet in there, and that way I don't have to carry a purse, so I got that as well. So nothing too crazy, but that's kind of what I got there besides my groceries. So yeah, I need to work on some other stuff. I really need to open up my shop soon because October, like, we literally have, what, not even a week left depending on when this is up. You know, there's like 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks left of October, and I am slacking hard. So I need to get my butt on that so I can announce my shop and get it up and running for you guys. So that's the deal right now. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that stuff. And yeah.
Even winter away, so I remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da -dun 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 -dun. Summer is for falling in love. I heard about you long before we met. You're winsome and you're young, at least that's what they said. Underneath your glitter and your gold, you can't deny the fact that you are growing old. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall
I just made this cutie
asleep.
pie. Let's go
Someday I
into,
will leave
let's
you
see, explore.
when I've had enough of your beauty. I haven't gotten used to your scent. I'm certain you have had another cigarette. Nothing could prepare me for your style.
So cute.
The way your laughter seemed
quite
to go
perfect.
for miles and miles. You
Oh my
have
gosh, they're so
1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. Doopy doompa wumba wee.